What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Instagram and IGTV. Well, it's been a minute since I posted, like I said earlier, but I have put some new updates on the truck. Pretty freaking amazing, actually, guys. So you guys saw the last video that I put the new bumpers on. So that's a bumper set made by a company called Trail Effects. They are actually a Westin company, a subsidiary. So Westin makes bumpers for Trail Effects. Anyway, as you can see, cube lights, light bar, cube lights. So basically all the holes that I had in the truck, or the bumpers, are now on there. They have lights. So I got lights over here as well. Cube lights right here, as you can see. That looks pretty good. This one is actually hooked up to the reverse lights. So put it in reverse, shoots a big light beam out. Perfect. I'm in reverse. Look how bright that is. Holy smokes. That's awesome. Man, that looks good. Let's turn on these lights and see what they look like. All right, so the two cube lights are hooked up to the original fog lamp harness from the factory. So it turns on from over here. So all I gotta do is turn on the lights and the fog lamp comes on. And then the other one, the light bar, obviously cannot be on at certain times. So they put the switch right here. So I'm gonna turn that one on. All right, let's see what that looks like. Wow, that's bright. Oh my goodness. That is awesome. Holy smokes, that is awesome, guys. That's beautiful. Still pretty bright, but that is awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna kind of put it right there. It looks good. Really adds character to the truck. Although, unlike the factory headlamps, I try not to turn on the cube lights when I'm just driving. I think it just looks cool that the holes have been filled. So, but that looks really, really good. Really, really good. And another thing that I added, guys, is I put a, I think that's a 12-inch or that's a 14-inch TV DVD monitor up there with IR headsets for the kids. So that is really a cool addition. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, and you can see this blue LED lamp right here. This is actually hooked up to the dome light. So every time I unlock the car remotely, this turns on, so it illuminates the car. A really cool blue hue inside. So I'm gonna open this bad boy up. There we go. And so the kids can watch while they're traveling. That's cool. That is very cool. I think that's a very cool addition. I think that it's indispensable, especially when you're long hauling with children. So anyway, more updates. All right, so this is the night test. First time I actually drove this at night for my fog lamps. Now actually I don't drive it like this, guys, okay? Just wanted to see where it was light-wise. Holy smokes, that is bright. Jeez, that is super bright. And people go, what is it for? Well, anything I want, right? Wow, that is bright. Dude. Oh, that's so sick. Wow, guys. All right, for those curious, I got this installed at Dealer's Choice here at Lecanto, Florida. Steve Muldrow, the guy who owns it, actually installed my gear. So that is pretty amazing. He also installed the TV inside the truck. So, but man, that is bright. That is awesome. Dude, I went full send on the lights. Yeah, buddy.